Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Ads conversion tracking for Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu located at the top right corner. Under the Measurement column, click on Conversions. In the Conversions window, find the conversion action you want to verify. Click on the name of the conversion action to open its details. Scroll down to the Tag Setup section. Select the option for Use Google Tag Manager if you are using it for tracking. If you are not using Google Tag Manager, note the instructions for adding the tracking code manually. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel. In Shopify, go to Online Store and then Preferences. Locate the Google Ads Conversion Tracking section. Paste the conversion tracking code you copied earlier into the designated field. Save the changes in your Shopify admin. Now, return to your Google Ads account. Click on Tools and Settings again, then go back to Conversions. In the Conversion Action Details, look for the Status section. It may take a few hours for the status to update. To check if the tracking is working, perform a test conversion on your Shopify store. Complete a purchase with test data to generate a conversion. After waiting for a short period, return to Google Ads to see if the test conversion is recorded. Check the Conversions column in your Google Ads dashboard. If you see your test conversion listed, your tracking is successfully verified. If not, revisit your setup to ensure all steps were followed accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.